In this video, we're going to learn how we can clone any voice and use it for text to speech. It's actually very easy. Let me show you. So when you go to learnhive.com, just scroll down to the audio section, and here we're going to click on text to speech. There are a number of models that you can use for this, but there are two that I like to use. So once you're on this page, just click on the models here. Then you can see from the description here, the ones that support voice cloning. So I have this one here, this one, and this one. So I like to use Chatterbox Table and Qwen 3 TTS. So let's start with this one to see what we get. This one, you have the limit of 500 characters, so you have to bear that in mind. So here, all you have to do is to upload your file here, the audio file from which the AI is going to get your voice. So just make sure that this file is more than 5 seconds and less than 20 seconds. So this is the audio that I'm going to use. There, don't underestimate the power of small, consistent action. David didn't try to fight like everyone else. He leaned into what made him different. Once I have this voice, I'll put in this box the text that I want to be spoken. So in this case, this is my text. So the AI is going to turn this text into speech using the voice that I've uploaded here. And once you're happy with everything, just click convert to audio. Then we have our results down here, and this is what we get. The story of David and Goliath is a reminder that the size of your challenge doesn't determine the outcome. Your courage and faith do. David wasn't the strongest, most experienced, or most likely to win, but he showed up when others stood back. So that was the first one. The second one is to use Qwen. So I'll go back to my models here, just click on it. Then from here, you can choose Qwen TTS. Here you have more space to upload more text, so you can upload up to 5,000 characters. So once you have chosen the model, you can click on voice clone here. And for the language, you can choose the language that you want. So mine is English. So this is the audio that I'm going to use, the same one that I've used earlier. So here in the reference text, you're going to add the words that are in the audio. So if I play the audio here, you can see that it's this text that is here. As you go through your day, don't underestimate the power of small, consistent action. So what this means is that the AI is going to compare your voice here and the words that are here, so that it can then and compare how you are pronouncing the words and where you are taking pauses. Then finally here you can have the instruction of how you want your message to be presented. In my case, I'll just leave this one blank so that the AI can figure out on its own. Then here you have the text that has to be changed into speech, the same text we have used earlier on. Once you're happy with everything, just click convert to audio. And when it is done, this is the result that we get. The story of David and Goliath is a reminder that the size of your challenge doesn't determine the outcome. Your courage and faith do. David wasn't the strongest, most experienced, or most likely to win, but he showed up when others stood back. So that's how you can easily clone your voice and use any other text that can be spoken in your voice. You can actually use any other voice that you want here. Whatever voice you use, your text will be spoken in that voice that you have uploaded. If you want to try this, I'll leave the link in the comments below. And if you want to see how you can use text to speech with emotional expressions such as laughing, whispering, or singing, that video's up here. I'll see you over there.